Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Our today's topic is, what do all the bases have in common? Yesterday we have discussed bases. Mm, When a base is dissolved in water, it always produces, gives OH ions. hydroxide ions. So we can say that base is a substance which, when dissolved in water, or which dissolves in water, to give hydroxide ions in solution. This substance is called base. Base is a substance which dissolves in water to give or to produce hydroxide ions in water. This is called base. For example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. It is a base because it dissolves. It dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions. So we can say that it is a base. Or in other words, we can say that a sodium hydroxide shows basic character, basic nature or behavior due to the presence of OH hydroxide ions in it. Similarly, KOH, it is a base. It dissolves in water to give hydroxide ion, K positive plus OH negative. It is the presence of OH negative ions in the potassium hydroxide which gives it basic character or basic properties. Similarly, MgOH2, magnesium hydroxide, it is also a base because it dissolves in water. It has to dissolve in water to some extent to produce hydroxide ions. Mg dipositive plus twice OH negative ions. So we can say that magnesium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, they show basic character due to the presence of OH. Show basic character due to the presence of OH ions in them. From the above discussion, we conclude that a common property of all the bases is that they produce hydroxide ions when they are dissolved in water. There is a common what do all the bases have in common? So all the bases have in common is that they all produce hydroxide ions when they are dissolved in water. A common property of all the bases is that they all produce hydroxide ions when they are dissolved in water. It means that when bases are dissolved in water, if is base dissolved, they all produce, they all give hydroxide ions. The only common thing in all the bases that they contain hydroxide ions. Now it is the hydroxide ions which imparts basic character to these substances, to these substances, to these substances. Like acids, bases are all of two types: strong acids, bases, sorry, and weak bases. What do you mean by strong base? Strong base is a base which completely ionizes in water and to give a large amount of hydroxide ions. A base, a base which completely ionizes in water to give a large amount of H2O, to give a large amount of hydroxide ion. It's a strong base. For example, NaOH, KOH, they are strong base because they completely ionize on dissolving water to give a large amount of hydroxide ions. What's weak? Weak base is a base which is partially ionized, guys, partially ionized in water to give a small amount of OH ions. For example, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. They are weak bases because they ionize partially in water.